Right, morning folks, last day. That's where we stayed last night. Angus Hotel here in Blairgowrie. Okay. Gosh, right, today plan is a wee bit Perthshire. It's Kielder Forest hotel. It's fun, enjoy, come with us.
Is that Nessie?
Ah, bless him, they don't get out much.
England.
His back tyre is shot. Look at this, look, fine squad of fisters, I mean men. Look. Jeremy, are you wearing the vest of shame?
Yeah.
I am, yes.
Why's that, my man? What happened?
Well, it was going to come to at some point, wasn't it?
An infinite indicator.
Infinite indicator, yes. How was everybody's room last night?
My room was banging, loved it.
Yeah, perfect.
Excellent.
Swimming pool was nice, gents. Sauna was nice.
Did you go for a wee swim, did you?
I went for a wee swim again, yeah.
Good lad. Again? Where else did you swim?
The first hotel as well, I used to in the steam room in that hotel.
Oh, the one in Oban?
That's right, yeah. The first one.
Right, okay, gotcha. Nice. See, only the best for you punters, you see, people. Only the best. Tonight's one's posh.
Are they going to let us in?
Well, I was just waiting to say, I hope you all brought your dinner jackets with you.
Yes.
Ties, morning suits.
Oh, Bruce, have you got a spare couple of them?
Always.
Thank you.
On into 20. It's the new thing up here, it seems. 30s or 20s. Here we go. Nationals. Look at that view. Beautiful. I love Perthshire. Watch last year's series, you'll know this is where my brother lives. In Perthshire. And yes, he did get the arse because I didn't go visit him. It's Dave, Mr. Hemmings. Hiya. How do?
Good, mate, you?
Yeah, all good, Sam, all good.
Excellent. Is that Nessie?
Up, yep.
Oh,
yep.
no, it's a swap.
Or is it?
Yes, it could be on top of Nessie's. What hat does she wear, Nessie?
Swan hat.
It's like a tartan with a bobble on, isn't it?
Slightly racist, David. Slightly racist. Stereotypical. These roads are mint. Love them.
What a lovely view. Imagine waking up to that every day.
I know.
Be horrible. Yeah, it'd be really horrible.
This is a cracking road. Dave's is looking for a pee stop. He's at that age. Enjoy, Dave. Just going, nipping by.
I catch your boys anyway. You could
There's another group up ahead, gents. They're not with us. I've just joined them. Love the stretcher road. Great fun. This bike is just amazing. Soft cones. If you can hear me, mate, there's a junction at the end here.
Yeah, stay on our way. No problem.
Mark, they'll be quite a while, and there's that other group probably in between them as well.
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Top man.
The other group are wearing all hollow, so there is the
Yeah. I came up behind them, sat there, and then went, that's not our group. I saw the three-wheel thing up ahead. And there was a Ducati that was working, so that can't be us. Ready for the coffee stop.
Yeah. I can do a nice strong cappuccino.
Mocha chocolate.
I've got my ram base layer on. First time I've put my ram down jacket underneath this, my motorcycle duck. I'm boiling.
Yeah. The old base layers make a difference. Definitely.
Yeah, I've got it like a thick winter one as well, so it's hey, I've got it back.
Cool, nice one. Cheers. So that's the Powmill Milk Bar. Nice stop for a cup of splush, that. Very good coffee, an amazing selection of cakes, and according to Mr. Weir, one of the best sausage rolls in the country.
And friendly service too.
Very friendly service.
Very friendly.
Yes.
Very friendly. Second best sausage roll I've ever had, that one.
Come on then, Danny. Where's the best sausage roll you've ever had?
The little butcher's in Cricklade called Michael Hart and Son. If anyone's ever passed it, get a hot sausage roll from there and you won't be disappointed.
Sorry, Simon, could you speak again, mate, please, and then we'll capture it on camera.
No, too far back to break it up.
Yeah, you've gone again now. Right, for the people at home, Simon's audio's been really muffled, almost inaudible, like very distorted at times. Now he does speak like that anyway, he's very, very softly spoken, but what we've tried is in the app settings, if you open up the Cardo app, there is a bit, I'll put it on the screen now, you can alter the mic sensitivity, so he's dropped it, I think, down to the least sensitive option, and that seems to have made the audio just that little bit clearer. It's still a wee bit muffled, but that's just the way Simon speaks, to be honest with you. But it is more audible. Try that if you're having some issues.
Right, Chico!
Alright, that's the Kelpies. Next. Bloody tourists. The light vest wearing wanker. So we just got to the Kelpies. One of the lads, Mick, poor old Mick. He's always wanted to do Blairgowrie, you know, the Apple Cross Pass we did a couple of days ago. So he's looking forward to it. That's the whole point of him coming on the trip. And he's just found, I think last night when he got to the hotel, he couldn't find his SD cards, you know, from his camera. So it looks like he's lost all the SD cards from the whole trip. Oh, gutted. Mick, I'm gutted for you, mate. Come with us next year. Sorry.
Here we come. Walking down the street. It's the funniest stuff. Everyone we meet. Hey, we're bikers. People think we're rocking around. We're too busy scraping to get anybody round. You slags.
Ah, bless him. They don't get out much. Think about 1, 2, 3. You'll be glad to know, boys, I got that on camera. Well done. Nothing but the best on our trips. Nothing but the best. Bit of Greg.
Matey lets you out, and then that matey comes across the front of us. Lovely, nice work, mate. Are you taking up tail end, Mr. Smart?
I'm just filming you.
Filming us.
We're going left at the roundabout.
Yeah.
That's the way we came, Joe.
Yeah.
Just a nice one.
Yeah. All the way back to the coffee stop.
Yeah, we're all together, aren't we?
All together.
We're all
together. All together now. All together now.
Right then, folks. It's just me and you. Turned off the comms for a wee bit. There's not too much in this sort of central belt part of Scotland, really. So we do the Kelpies and we sort of batter through it. We have that run and gun picnic lunch. And now we're going to start working our way south onto some good roads again. Do Kielder Forest, head towards the border. Lads seem to be enjoying it, which is awesome. Mick, I'm absolutely gutted for you, poor old Mick. All he wanted from this trip was Blairgowrie and the Applecross Pass there. So, listen, if you're seeing this video and at some point on all the sort of great biking roads in the northwest of Scotland, you have, and even across the top, you've found a load of little tiny wee micro SD cards that has us lot on it in the footage, please, could you please drop me a line, either through the socials or ideally email info@teapotone.com, and I can return them to Mick. That would be fantastic. The poor lad is absolutely gutted.
Phone connected.
Hiya!
13 group members connected.
You did a wee montage to yourself there. There's a lot of head spoken to run at the back.
I was talking guff. It's the best conversation I've had all week, that. Stonking bit of road coming up, boys. This must be what the PM feels like. I have two RTs in front leading the way. Got my own outriders here.
I'll stay left, Bruce.
No, it's alright, mate. I'm just trying to get footage of various different people.
Oh, sorry, buddy. I thought you was on the whiz.
So don't muck it up, Dale. You're on camera. No pressure.
No pressure. Coming up on the car as well, so that's my excuse to slow up.
Tractor stopped in Brainhead. Tractor stopped in Brainhead, mate.
In the narrowest bit he can.
He's having a chat. Yeah.
Alright, mate, you see my sheep?
He's on his way to market.
Nationals! So come on, 1, 2, 3.
I can see clearly now.
The rain has gone.
Go on then, keep going.
Say
I'm recording. Come on, Dale, let's hear you.
No, I'm fine.
You're like that karaoke guy last night in the bar.
Yeah. Sounds like a bag of gravel in a cement mixer. I went to pay my bill.
Yeah.
He came over on the mic and said, well, he was speaking and he said, this is for Prince Andrew. It's his favourite song.
Go
and
on.
he started doing I was just 17.
Oh, these bikes should not do what they do. Look at this for a view. Remember this from last year. What a stunning, stunning view. Chased down the side of the valley. What a road.
Putting some on that. We've got 13 miles till Coffee.
So a run down the valley here. There's a wee coffee place just on the banks of our Loch.
Is it open?
Station says flow secretary. Thank you very much.
That sounds right, Phil.
Some nice jumps, isn't it?
Aye, literally up.
Yeah. Wasn't expecting points to jump. That's going to be a challenge.
So, I've enjoyed every second of this.
Hopefully he might pull over at some point.
There is no knock in this tour whatsoever. I would do this again in a heartbeat.
It's incredible.
Mint in it. Stonking road this.
I suppose I'm going to count.
What a mega road. Mr. Wheel.
Hello.
That's a good bit of road. That's a very good bit of road. I'm not sure at which point, but my helmet cam gave up. But there's a few parts where I was in mid-air. Enjoy that, boys?
Yeah, that was absolutely mental, that was.
Beautiful. Happy days. Sorry if it's really windy, folks. Apologies. I still haven't. Well, I have got myself a good mic, but well, it's sat in the bike. I'm sorry. There's Darren with all his mates.
Mate, look after yourself.
Let us know when you get home.
Well, folks, sadly, Steve is leaving us. His back tyre is shot. He's not had much luck. Thanks, man. Take it easy. So, Steve, mate, gutted for you, but pleasure as always to have you along, pal. So, in this back group here, has everyone been happy? Have you enjoyed it? Is there anything you do different? Is there anything you'd like to see that's not been included?
Oh, it's been fantastic.
Oh, it's been amazing, mate.
Genuinely, if there's anything that you think could be tweaked, please let me know. I'll not take offence. I want to try and make sure we do a cracking little package for people. So,
Honestly, you said about going the other way around.
yeah.
I would love to do that for a change, but I don't think that's a negative at all. That's not meant as a negative to this. I just think that would be that would offer about, I reckon it'd be a whole different ride.
Yeah, that's what I think.
And I would love to do that as well.
Yeah, so if you've done this one, do the one going the other way, and it'll be
Yeah,
a different
that's the thing.
experience.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to have to pop by you, excuse us. So this is Kielder Forest.
Yeah.
Stunning bit of road.
Oh,
Enjoy.
it's amazing.
That tightens up. Over the cattle group.
Time, mate. Really?
What a stonking bit of road. Bloody hell, Simon and them have pulled the pin, they've gone.
Yeah.
Right, sheep on the road down here, sheep on the road. One of them's a wee lamb, so just watch them.
Yeah.
What a road, beautiful surface. Looks like they've freshly surfaced this, just for us. Just coming by you, Dave.
Yeah, go for it.
England.
No way, no!
What a stonking road this is. What a road. This is a little bit naughty. enjoy that?
I think it's the longest, smoothest bit of tarmac we've had on the whole trip.
It was incredible, wasn't it? Simon was proper miffed we didn't do that last year. I can see why now.
Exactly, yeah. Lovely bit of road, isn't it? So it's open and then it's twisty, then it's open. And quiet.
I'm gutted for Steve.
I am as well.
Keep thinking about it. Well, must be absolutely gutted about this.
Yeah. All that effort he's done to get here and it took him about at the end anyway.
Yeah.
Oi.
Splashed up, splashed up.
Splashed up.
Cheers, Jeremy. Thank you, Paul.
Cheers.
Bit of splosh.
There you go.
How many yellow smoke? It's the lowest common denominator. The complex and the way to.
Not a bad spot for a cup of splosh, eh? Into the dirty 30.
We're all here, Dale. You slag. All clear.
Go on, my lover. We're all here.
Still here. I'm out of here. I risk my life and live to get past the lorry, and 100 yards later you have to give way.
Hazards.
Hey, Cardo, microphone off. Hey, Cardo, mute microphone.
Are you going to say something about us now?
I can't tell you, can you? Because you just muted himself.
Well, the hotel entrance is just here on the left.
Gotcha. I'll mark it for the back group, Si. Back group, left, 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 left. Hello, David.
Why, good afternoon.
Hello,
thank you very much, sir.
Boutique hotels. Bit posh, this one for the night. Spoiling.
Here we go. This looks friendly.
Hiya.
Looks a bit pie mashed, doesn't it? I believe. You're a splash.
Yeah, left in here, chaps. Left in here.
A splash for you, North London.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mrs. Teapot.
Left.
In the gear.
Well, we got here. We're here.
Is that you? Is that everybody?
Go.
Lovely. Thank you kindly. So this is the hotel for the last night, folks. Derwent Manor. Bit of posh. It's been a good day, that. Enjoyed it. Everyone enjoyed it?
Cracking day.
Awesome.
Pretty place, isn't it?
Yeah, good name's got them boys.
It's down there. Of course it is. Hello, they got past. Got it, my mate.
We'll come around the back. We'll come around the back.
I like a weird entrance.
Oh dear.
We're down at that level already.
That answers that
We've
question.
got to be
That level since day one, what are you on about?
What's the format for his meeting? Everybody gets basically go home drunk.
We'll go and have a chat. There we go. So that's the end of the Flying Scotsman 2023 Chickenstrips tour. What a week. Now, just want to show you. This will give you an idea as to what your last night's accommodation is all about. We try to do good accommodation on the tours, but it does fluctuate. So it was a minimum of 3-star, but that 3-star can fluctuate quite wildly depending on where we are. However, this place, it is a touch of glamour. Look at this. This is the room in the Derwent Manor. Look at the size of this. It's a great big room. Nice big flat screen. The view out onto the beautiful fields there, our own little terrace, and a little desk. Look, ensuite, nice little sunken bath if you need it. No shower screen, no. Ooh, television if you need it. This is all right, but it's not over yet. No. We've also got our own little lounge here, tea and coffee facilities. Another nice view. Another big telly, should you wish to watch. No, we're not over yet. We've also got another room. Little single, with your flat screen telly. And there's your shower in here. Oh, hang on. And there is your shower in here. It's all right, isn't it? Beautiful. So yeah, hopefully the boys are all happy with their accommodation. And yeah, let's head to the bar. Last evening on the beer, a bite to eat, and we'll have a chat with the boys. What a week. It's a tough job, this. Someone's got to do it.
Malt vinegar, salt. Pepper. Do you want pepper as well?
Well, I meant to chat with everybody last night, but it just wasn't the place. It was too loud.
Time, wasn't it?
Yeah. Right, sync them up. 1, 2, 3. Right, you ready? Nice one. Right, morning, folks. It's the morning after the night before. Everyone's gone now. It's just myself and Dale. We're heading off to Hartlepool to do the Motor Gymkhana, and then a bit of off-roading tomorrow, so there's videos to come on that. I'm sorry, I meant to have a good chat with the lads last night, but the beer got flowing and it was really loud in the bar where we were, so there was just no way I could do the old... It doesn't feel right shoving a camera in people's faces sometimes, you know. People come away to enjoy themselves. So, but anyway, great feedback from everybody seemed to enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed the series of vids. If you fancy getting involved, check out chickenstrips.co.uk, links down below. I'll be putting up the 2024 tour itinerary around about the end of October, so I've no idea when these vids are going to go out, probably 2026, knowing me. But yeah, if you fancy it, check them out, but be quick, because I'm in a fortunate position where the tours go very, very quick. But anyway, it'd be great to have you along. If you think this is going to be your cup of tea, look after yourselves, get on out there whenever you can, look after those that you love, but most importantly, live your life. Woo-ha! Job done.